Hello friends and welcome to BISP Solutions. So today we are going to have the session on fixed asset in Oracle Fusion ERP with the business story approach. So today we will demystify fixed asset in Oracle Fusion ERP using a real world business problem and simple examples. So who is this for the fixed asset? This is fixed asset is for finance team, it is for asset managers. So this fixed asset is for finance team, asset managers, ERP consultant and business owners. So let's discuss today's agenda, what we are going to cover in this session. So in this session we are going to cover the fixed assets in business, then category Flexfield, location Flexfield, assets Key Flexfield, system control. Let us understand one by one what is this category Flexfield, location, assets Key Flexfield, etc. So let me explain you in the form of story. Imagine that we have a company called Next Gen Corporation, a growing manufacturing company. They have multiple factories, offices and a fleet of vehicles. So for managing fixed asset like machinery, building and IT equipment has been a nightmare. So their challenges include, let's move to the Excel and write the challenges in the day-to-day business life. So what challenges they can face? They can face that misclassified asset. Okay, misclassified asset leading to incorrect appreciation. The second challenge they can face is that difficulty difficulty tracking asset location. Another, the inconsistent assets. And lack of system control. So today we are going to overwrite from these challenges. So let's solve this problem through fixed assets management. Misleading asset, difficulty tracking asset, location, inconsistent asset and lack of system control. So let's move. So our first topic comes here is the category Flexfield. How we are going to relate this from the instance, let's discuss. So category Flexfield, let's suppose we have the Next Gen Corporation. We have different departments use different names for the same type of asset. For example, a laptop is sometimes recorded as IT equipment, sometimes as computer. It creates confusion. Okay, so what is the solution with this category Flexfield? Category Flexfield standardize asset categorization, ensuring uniform depreciation and reporting. So from the asset category we can ensure, first of all, it can standardize asset categorization. Okay, it will bring uniformity in depreciation. So this is why we use the category Flexfield. So now we'll move to create the category Flexfield so that we can categorize in the fixed asset. And the last depreciation and all comes for the reporting and taxation. So let's move to the creation of category Flexfield. Let's move towards the instance. Open our project, go to setup and maintenance, go to our project, and here we'll type, here we'll for manage the category we will have a task, that is, first of all we will set the values. Manage flex field manage fix asset, manage fixed assets, flex field. Let me search from this. Manage fixed assets, flex field. Flex field value sets. So this is the task for where we are going to set the values, and then we will create the category. Go to task icon, here we will create the category. We will create the category whether we are putting the asset in the minor category or we are putting the asset in the major category. So here we'll create the category. So let's say first we are creating the major category, so we can give next gen major category. Description will give the same, we are giving the category, so the module would be asset. Validation type is independent, valid type is character. So we'll give the name in the form of text. Minimum value you can set whatever you want to set, and now save and close. So we have created one category, that is major category. Under major and minor category we are going to create the assets. So first we are creating the category. Okay friends, you have to remember this, that we are first creating the category, and under category we are going to create the asset. So first I have created the major category so that we are standardized. Okay. So save and close. Now we'll creating the minor category. Description we can give the same, and again the same module, asset, validation type independent, character, we are creating minor category so that it can depend on the major category. We give the text, select the maximum or minimum value. Maximum is mandatory, so select, we will giving the mandatory value. Now Here you see we cannot choose the validation type as independent. We are because we are going to create the minor category which is dependent on the major category. So here we have to choose the dependent. This minor is a dependent category. Now choose text and now you see the value set code has come. So this category falls under which category? So this minor category is going to fall in the major category. So we have to search for our major category. This is our major category. Now save and close. So we have created two category, major category and minor category. We have created two category. First is major category, second one is minor category. Now we'll divide the asset into minor and major category. Now we'll give the value to this category. Go to we are creating under which country this asset is going to fall. So now we are creating country, validation type would be module asset and validation type would be independent. Data type would be character. Text maximum value 30 and save and close. We have created the country. So we are discussing on location. Now one more we are going to create under country. We are going to create the state under which state this asset is going to fall. Next gen. State. Module again asset. Validation type independent and validator type would be character again. The maximum value would be 30. So we have created the major category, minor category, then we have created the country, then we have created the state and save and close. Now under state we are going to create this city. Let's create the next gen city. Copy the description. Again the module would be . Validation type city would be independent. Character, go to the value subtype, that is text, and maximum value 30. Now we will create the segment for this asset key flex field. Save and close. We have created this city. Now we are going to give the values. So for creating segments, again we are going to go to create. Now we will create the asset key. Next gen asset key, same description. Now you will automatically understood why we have created the country, state, city. Module would be fixed asset, validation independent, character, text, maximum value 30. So we have created the asset key, and now for this for that, now we are going to create the structure for this three flex field just we have created. Save and close. And then we will create the instance. First we have to create the flex field, then we have to create the structure for the flex field, and then we create the instance for the flex field. Save and close. And just search the tasks, manage fix asset key flex field, manage fixed assets. This is the second task. First task we have completed, we have created the value sets. Now we are going to create the flex field, the structure for flex field. Now this is the task, manage fixed asset key flex field. Go to this task and search for our category, that is, do we have any category? We have created the category. Let's search the category. So we have asset category. So we'll manage the structure. So since we are creating the structure, we have selected our category flex field, and now we are going to manage the asset. So for asset category we have only one active structure, and when we work for client we have to create a new structure. Basically we can create so many structure, but we can use only one at a time. So click on manage structure. Simply click on search, and first we have to disable the flex field. See, this is asset category flex field. First we have to disable it, then only we are going to perform our structure for this flex field. So select this and click on edit. This is already disabled, so we can work on this. Okay. Cancel. See which one is active. Let me say everyone is disabled, so okay, we can work on it. Now let's move. So let's create the structure for the flex field. So structure code, let me give next gen category flex field. Same name, let's give the same name. Description is not mandatory, let it be. So delimiter, it's okay, let it be selected. Now save and close. So we are going to create the flex field structure for our next gen category. Click on save. So we have not selected a delimiter, we are going to select any delimiter and click on save. Just a second, let me see. Sometimes this instance give unnecessary problems, so let me see. All mandatory field we have created. Click on save. This segment option should be enabled. It is not allowing us to save. Next category delimiter. If I select this one, save, not allowing us to open. Otherwise, we without this we cannot create the segment. Next gen category flex field. Not allowing. We are not selecting anyone. Just try to create one more time. The structure code next gen flex field. description, same, control C. Delimiter, let me choose any delimiter, and as I click on this save, this option should enable. It is giving, and then we have checked that structure should be disabled, whichever structure we are going to take. Let's check once again. See, we are selecting the structure, click on edit, and this structure is let's see. Asset category flex field should be disabled, then only we are going to work on it. It is not allowing us to move ahead. Structure code name we have given already. Let me give once more. Next one, next gem. Let me change the name. Next gem. Yeah. Click on create. No, that was enabled, that is what is giving the error. It's okay. Now let's move. So here we'll take the major category segment code. Next, chain major category. It will take automatically the name. Next chain, and we are going to give only next chain major category. So this we are going to give the sequence number 1. So this would be our first segment. So under major category we are going to select the minor category. Minor category, display width 30 we have taken. Range type is not mandatory. This would be as segment 1, and here we are going to choose our category that we have created. Search for next chain. This, so this is our next and major category. We have minor category, so let's select the major category. Okay, we have selected the segment label under major category, and now save and close. There prompt node we have given. Okay, I'll copy this one and save and close. Let's create the another Flexfield segment. Create, and this is for the minor category. Next, chain minor. This name we are going to copy. Description is not mandatory. Sequence number for this minor category we are going to give the segment number 2, sequence number 2, prompt as we have got it, and this is minor category for minor. Now display width 30, short prompt, whatever you want to give. Range type not mandatory, column number would be, this would be segment number 2, and the value set code we have to take our minor category. So we have created two structure for major category and for minor category. Next, click on OK. Now we have to deploy this so it can load into the our instance. Cancel it. Save and close. Done. Manage structure instances. Create the instances. Search our category. Next category flex. So we are loading into instances, so we are giving the name not Flexfield, we are giving only flex so that we cannot get confused in it. Structure name would be just search for our next gen category Flexfield. As I choose one more category we are not getting, we have two category in this, major and minor. Just a second, let's create in this. Again I am not, we are not getting our minor category, just we have created also. Next Jan. Category flex. here. See, but the flex field is not given. There should be two. There should be two major category and minor category should come. It's not displayed. Required. Let me search. Next category flex. Okay, I'll go with the major category. Now I'll go to the our next topic, that is location category. We have created we category for dividing the asset into major category and into minor category. Now we'll move to the location. Same thing we have to do. Location we have created. Search for the location. Next, this is our location. Next chain category flex. Manage structure of edit and manage its structure. First of all, we have to disable it. Search for the Flexfield location. Location we have not created, but it should come because system has created, so that we have to, for moving ahead, we have to disable this location Flexfield. So here we have your asset. We manage the structure. Asset location. So we are not finding system location also. Our location is there, but location should be there so that we can disable and make ours and move ahead. location. Let me search. The location is not coming. In the same way, we have to disable the location as we have disabled the asset. This category flex field, why we are not able to see the. Let me repeat the process. This is somewhere this instance is giving problem. See, minor category also we have created, but it was not coming. So there is a issue in some issue in instance only. Once again, let me open my project. See, it is not working properly, the instance. Otherwise, we would have created, we would have disabled the location, and the same process we would have repeated. And then we create the asset in the major category, which is the major asset. For example, we have building, so building comes in the major assets, and the minor asset under whatever building you want to, furniture and all that would come in the minor category. So this is how it works, friends. So today we have learned how to create the categories, the location, the asset, key flex field. And let me give the example of system control, and let's end this session here, because this instance is not working properly. See, still it is hanged. So friends, it is hanged now system. The remaining topic is system control, that I will explain tomorrow. And I'll repeat once again the category, location, asset, key flex field once again in the tomorrow session. And then after completing the system control, we'll move towards the next session. Okay, so let's meet on the next session, friends. Thank you for joining this webinar.